Hi, it's me, Sugar. I'm so happy to see you. So today we are going to talk about Thanksgiving. What is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is a holiday that we celebrate all the wonderful things and people in our lives.
Here's our supply list for today. You will need some scissors, some glue or glue stick, crayons, markers, colored pencils, just something to draw with. You'll need a few different colors of construction paper. Whoops. And we will need some plain paper.
So today I have a book to read to you called Thanksgiving is for Giving Thanks by Margaret Sutherland. It looks like this. And it's all about the things that we are grateful for. Let's read it and see what everybody is thankful for, but I gotta put my glasses on. Oh, I see Marcus and I see Destiny. Hi.
Thanksgiving is for giving thanks. Thanksgiving is the day of the year that we eat lots of turkey and pumpkin pie. But most of all, it is the day when we give thanks for all the things that make us feel happy. What do you feel thankful for? I am thankful for my dad and mom. They love me when I am good and even when I am not so good. I am thankful for everyone else in my family. My grandma gives really good hugs. I am thankful for my teacher. She makes me feel special when she hangs my artwork on the wall. I am thankful for my friends who make me laugh. Do your friends make you laugh? Mine do. I am thankful for my room. Sometimes it's nice to be by myself. I am thankful for hot chocolate on a cold, rainy day. Ooh, that sounds yummy. I am thankful for all the dogs and cats that I know. Do you have a dog or a cat? It is fun when they let me pet them. I am thankful for my favorite books. I like bedtime when mom or dad reads to me. I am thankful for bright, sunny days when I can play outside with my friends. I am thankful for lollipops that turn my tongue purple or green or red or orange or blue. I am thankful for special days like Thanksgiving when I am with my whole family and we can all be thankful together.
That was a lovely story. There are so many things that we can be thankful for, like our family and our friends and our toys and even our pets. So now we are going to make a Thanksgiving turkey and we're going to write down all the things that we're thankful for.
Now it's time to make our thankful turkey. We are going to make a colorful turkey and write down something we're thankful for on each feather. So first thing that we need to do is make sure that you've got a plain sheet of paper. Now I'm just going to use the white paper, but if you wanted to use a colorful piece of construction paper to do this on, you make it yours, okay? I'm just going to use this white piece. So also, I could not find any brown construction paper to make my turkey. So what I'm going to use is just a grocery bag, okay? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is we need to make the turkey. I am going to first cut a piece of this. Well, I'm gonna try to cut a piece of this shopping bag and just cut it out so that I will have enough to make my turkey with. And if your adult is with you, your adult can help you get this done if you're not so good at cutting. Okay, so now I've got something to make my turkey with. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to make a large circle for the turkey's body, and then we want to make a little circle for the turkey's head. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, next we need to add some feathers to our turkey. So we're going to use lots of different colors. I think I'm going to use at least 3 different colors for my turkey's feathers. But before I cut the feathers out, I want to write down something that I am thankful for. So I'm going to grab my crayons. I'm going to find a dark color. Let's see if I can find. Okay, I'm going to do mine with black. So some of the things that I'm thankful for are family, and you may need your adult to help you write this. Family. And then I'm going to make one for friends. And I'm going to make one for pets. Okay, so feathers are kind of this shape. Okay, that's something to keep in mind as you're trying to cut it out. So almost like an oval, right? Like an oval. Kind of has a pointy end and a pointy end on this end, okay? So like an oval. Let's go ahead and try to get these cut out. I hope that you thought of some special things to put on each of your feathers that you are thankful for. So before we start gluing this down, let's go ahead and draw a face on our turkey. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to draw an upside down triangle. That's going to be the turkey's beak. Or if you want to, you can draw it right side up and then we'll just turn it the other way. How about that? Okay, so there's the turkey's beak. Now we need to give the turkey some eyes. So let's draw 2 ovals. And then I'm going to draw another oval inside the oval. Now, this is the way that Sugar is making her turkey. You make your turkey however you want to make it, okay? And if you want to add a bow on the top, if you want to add a ball cap on the top, you want your turkey to have hair, you make your turkey the way that you want. Now, let's also make the turkey's little gobble gobble. Let's go right here on the side and make like one more oval, but let's close it up at the top. Okay? And then we can color that in. Okay, I think I'm ready to go ahead and glue my turkey down. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I've got everything glued down. I think I may want to just add some feet to my turkey. But like I said, you do your turkey the way you want to do him. He's your turkey. He or she is your turkey. It's your turkey. So I'm going to add some feet to my turkey. And while your turkey is drying, you may need to put something heavy down on top of it, like a book, just to make sure that it dries flat.
You did such a great job with your turkey. So now that you have made your turkey and you've thought of a few things that you're thankful for, why don't you share that maybe with your adult or with your sibling or a friend, or you can even share that with your pet. You did such a great job sharing the things that you're thankful for. Remember that Thanksgiving is a time to think about the things that we're grateful for and the things that make us happy. So you can always add more feathers to your turkey as you maybe think about other things that you're thankful for. Like you might think later, oh, I'm really thankful for my toys. I'm really thankful for my room. You can make more feathers and continue to add them to your turkey. Thank you so much for coming today and spending time with me. Be sure to like Sugar's video and to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye! Happy Thanksgiving!